CNC. We about to start a new series. It's called The Late Nights with the boys. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we at Marbles. Don't ask us how we got the marble. Wait, what is this? Hey, yo, cuz is wait, who is this? Mohanike. Oh, this Gandhi. Oh, bro, that's Gandhi, dude. Nah, I didn't know that was Gandhi. But nah, we just out here trying to take some pictures. Hold on.
What's
This
up?
the late night vlog.
Late night vlog, bro. Why can't I flip the camera?
You can't flip the camera on that. You know what I'm saying?
We're here. We at Marbles.
Marbles.
Man, Marbles is kind of cool. I've been here.
Go there, yo, look at this
No
dude.
swag on your feet.
Hey, what's up to the vlog?
This nigga ain't got no swag on his. What is that? I don't mean to disrespect you.
Is this necklace?
But where your drip at? Where is his
necklace?
Is this necklace?
Why you got so many
Why
necklaces?
y'all gripping me up?
Why you got necklace?
My mama bought it. 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 Hey yo, nigga trying to do a handstand. Hey yo, look at his stance. Hey, we about to get arrested. Can we hurry up and do this, yo? Like we not even supposed to be out here. We come right back. We come right back.
It's that Crease nephew.
Crease.
It's that Crease.
Talk to him.
Talk to me. Talk. Watch his nephew. Watch his nephew. Watch his nephew. Look at that bitch.
Oh, that nigga Teo, nigga. Hold on,
Is that bitch Crease nephew?
Y'all hit one of these. What's that?
Oh, that's dirty.
Watch this.
Oh, that's dirty. That's dirty.
That's nasty as hell.
That's dirty. What's that? Just thinking cat.
Yo, Tim.
No cat. We here.
Okay. Okay.
You got the motherfucking
We really out here. Man. Like we really out here. Downtown right there. I would pee on this. So I want to show y'all our conflict that usually
Up, down.
happens.
Right.
Codescendant flicks, bro.
Send my dick.
Whoa! That's staying
Yeah,
in, bro.
Postmates.
That's the. Hey yo. Hot mints.
Brings a whole new meaning to Uber to my dick.
Hey yo. You turn left.
That's a joke too. He made that a joke.
That's hilarious.
Y'all heard that he made that a joke.
Postmate.
Postmates.
Poshmark.
Get it? Postmates. Mate.
Ah. Cause you a postmate. Ah.
Postmate.
That goes to your situation too.
Oh,
Chill out.
wow.
I'll cry right now. Escalade.
Blake,
But
are you
listen.
still recording?
Yeah, so we're recording right now, right? But I just want to throw it out there that
Give me your money. Give me your lunch money.
I'm broke.
Blake,
You stop slapping the fans like
why
that.
you got so many necklaces?
They care.
Why you got so
Why
many
you got necklace?
Necklace.
Why you got necklace?
necklace?
Where your mom at? Where your mom?
Why
I
did
don't
you
have
turn
one.
left? Why did you turn left?
Oh, wait, it was left.
The Black Lives Matter.
See, I told you.
You did not tell me.
I said left and then left.
You
We
did
have a
not tell
problem.
me.
We have
Why
a
you
problem with
Why you
directions.
yelling?
Why aren't you yelling?
Cause I don't want to.
Bruh.
We have a
I
problem.
turn this car right now.
Why you got so many necklaces?
I don't know. So I gotta edit all this stuff, but just know, guys, we suck
Bro,
with directions.
just put it in there all together
A lot
as
more
one.
time.
We brothers.
So just know.
We're happy and we're singing and we're colored. Do-do-do-do. Big 14.
Why you got so many necklaces?
That's it.
Why you got depression?
But yeah, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna
Why
come
you
back
got
when we stop. I'm gonna come back
depression?
when we stop.
Alright, bro.
No. They again.
I'm not saying it again, bro.
But now we out here though. We out here for real.
We're
we
still
out here for
downtown.
real.
We're
Yeah,
getting
we
lit.
still downtown.
Got an hour until our
Keep the
car
walk.
gets towed.
Yeah, we
Hey,
out here
record
for
it.
real.
Record
That
it.
is, oh, that's
Unity in the
tough.
community.
Ugh.
Unity,
Ugh.
community, bro.
Ugh.
Big U's, bro.
Hold on, I'm gonna come right back. Hold on.
Do a flip for him. Do a flip for him, Cody. Nah, look.
Oh, fuck.
You don't spell.
Nah, I ain't pick all the way over.
I just literally noticed this. It's like,
Hey, facial just.
Taking the soul out the back of his neck.
Fetch me their souls.
We thinking about buying this building right here.
probably some CNC shit in there.
Hey, man.
Literally record videos in here. And let people
Downtown
see
on
it.
Blake Street, bro.
Downtown on Blake
Blake Street?
Downtown on Blake Street. That should tell you something.
CNC on Blake Street.
That should tell you something. I'm 300. It's like, nah, like
300. 300.
See now?
Don't make it gay. Turn right.
no. See what you just said. See what you.
Like this right at the light.
Bro, if you
See,
right
look,
at
you
the
see how
light.
we struggle with
This
directions
right-
every
I
time.
can't make it right at the light, nigga.
straight. No,
We got cook.
People need to stop telling me shit, bro.
bro. If you're from North Carolina, and you got one of these, bro. This is a cookout milkshake. You put a straw in this. They give you a straw for this. You can't start this up with a straw, bro. I just did it for the first time. It's been how many
Oh
years?
hell no,
17 years.
That nigga's a killer.
Crazy.
Then what does that say about you though? That you just slurped up.
I know how to
cookout?
suck.
Nah, yo,
Very
Tim.
good. I done suck niggas.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm slurping,
They call me-
slurping the fantastic out of
Turn
this,
right. Look, bro.
I got a
listen,
flow.
listen.
I ain't got nothing to say to these niggas.
Listen, pin me back on the camera, bro.
What? Do you want to have?
They call me Titty Man Tim for a reason.
They call you Tarzan, Tim.
Titty Man Tim.
You furry.
They call you two testicles.
But yeah,
too.
these.
What did you say, nigga?
He got the BLT. I got the double burger tray. And, it's cold, and he got the windows
He the
down.
BLT
Like it's not.
inside
Like
that.
it's really not November going on right now. Like take me back to November, but you know, that's a good reference.
Why are you driving like this, dude?
But it's gonna be the end of the
Bro, you
video.
just stay in the middle of shit.